Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Facebook and navigating straight to Settings and Privacy, then Settings and Name. You do this because Facebook requires you to edit the single profile name from that menu. Once there, click Edit next to your name. That opens the name fields. Make sure your new name follows Facebook rules and have an ID photo ready. It speeds verification. Remember, you can only change certain parts at once, so plan the exact first, middle, and last name you want. You now type your chosen first, middle, and last names into the fields. Be precise because Facebook may limit changes soon after. Once typed, use the preview function to see how it appears. This avoids awkward spacing or capitalization. If Facebook flags the name, follow the prompts to upload an ID. Do that from the same dialog to keep context. Make sure the ID clearly matches the name you entered. Otherwise, verification will fail and delay the update. You finish by clicking Review Change, choosing the display format if offered, entering your password, and saving. Once done, Facebook may process the update for 24 to 48 hours, so be patient and avoid repeated submissions. Too many tries can trigger a temporary lock. If Facebook denies the change, compare their name policy to your submission, retake a clearer ID photo, and try again. If problems persist, use the Help Center appeal option to request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.